If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I'm super happy to introduce you to the Bartleby Sling bag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So this is a small sling style bag that packs a storage punch. I tell you, we have a small pocket here, another medium pocket here, a larger pocket here, a really cute pocket right here, perfect for putting like your lip gloss or your key or your bank card for easy access. Double zip main closure. And inside we have a large slip pocket, and you can see, can you see, it is actually quite deep. The lining fits very tight in there to hold all of your essential needs. Multiple ways you can wear this. You can wear it on your shoulder if you just want to wear it on your shoulder like this. It's very size inclusive, so you can make this bigger to whatever you need it to be, and you could wear it as a sling along your front, or I gotta remember how to do this, along your back. This is like the ultimate travel bag, hands-free type bag. I just love it. So if you are one of my clients and you would like one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. You could choose your colors, you could choose your hardware, you could choose everything. And if you're part of the bagmakers community, there's a tutorial and a sew-along on this one. The sew-along is on the membership side of the channel for October 2025. So if you want a real-time sew-along, it's like, I think it's like 3 hours or something. There's 2 different sew-alongs there for it. To go step by step through this with me, you can always check that out on the membership side of the channel, or you can catch the tutorial, which will be going up, which is kind of a sped up version just to show you the basics of how we get through this bag. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys again. Bye.